Hello friends, welcome back to Clash of Clans in my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a hybrid attack with Bat Slap. What I will do, I will pick up a base which I have done in the war in the CWL. See, the base is like the wizard towers are in a same place, so that I can eliminate the wizard tower and then I can place the release the bats to do the other circles, other parts, from the eagle artillery to the other infernos and all. So what I will do is I will study the base. Where should I put the queen? I think there is a queen, there is a warden, so I can put the queen from 12 o'clock in the top of the base, and I will put a electro dragon here so that it can funnel me easy. So let's start the replay, and later I will also guide you on this. See, in this base I will place the queen from the 12 o'clock. Before that I will place the electro dragon here so that it can funnel well. Let it funnel, and I will show you what happens. And to the queen is the main thing for this hybrid attack. So what I will do is I will place my king here. Once it is funneling over there, see, the electro dragon is already funneling there, and queen is already hitting this barbarian. It will blow. And what I will do is I will place the king. Once the queen is already coming out, I will place the king in front of the queen so that it can destroy the queen, and behind the king at the corner I will place the siege barrack, that then it can also give me a free tunnel. See, the king is already placed, and also the siege barrack, and the picker will come out. My picker is very low level, but still it doesn't even matter, because when you are doing this kind of attacks, because as you can see, is a scattered base. What happens is, when you place hogs and miners, and it will definitely blow up by traps and all. So see, my six barrack life is getting low, so very soon I will release the hogs, and the six barrack hogs will come out, followed by the warden and all. Hogs are already released, and yes, this is very specially very important. When you have your royal champ, you have to place it behind the hogs so that it can give you the extra bonus attack. So what I will do is I will place a rage in the area of the inferno towers and all, so that it can help me well. And also these hogs are coming, and once I place the raise, I will release my miners from the this side so that it can come and easily can grab the base. See, there are so many traps, and there is a very less chance, so that I can see the hogs are almost gone, I guess. Yeah, oh my gosh, the hogs are almost gone, so only the miners left. So see, this much defense are left, so there I will place the bat, and the bat is coming. See, you can see the bat is coming like hell, and you can see what happens, what the bat does. Exactly, this thing happens when you have bat spell. My queen is still alive. She's doing the funneling, and actually she's not required anymore when you have all bats left and there is no more defenses. It is just 5 to 6 seconds to eat up all this defense and structures to the base. And this is how you can do a bat slap with hybrid attack, because when you have a scattered base, there is a chance that you gonna lose it. So this is how we play CWL. I hope this video will help you out. If you like this video, then definitely subscribe my channel and also like. Thank you.